If you're looking for a home in Windsor Locks, Connecticut, 24 Pearl Street, you got to come check it out. It's Brad, the mortgage guy, and this is your local look. All right, Steph, we've got a good one here.
Yeah, let's take a look around.
Let's do it.
After you, Brad.
Ooh, we walk into this big living room, but first let's actually head right, go over to
the formal dining room.
All right, in through the dining room, we have the kitchen.
Yeah.
With an exit right to the back, a nice deck, and a nice backyard back here, too.
It's a really good yard, Brad.
And there's a detached one-car garage with a carport.
Yep, you got it.
Take us back into that big living room area.
Yeah, so come this way. This house has hardwood floors throughout. And check over here. This is a great third bonus space addition. So even though the house is technically a 2-bedroom, you got a first floor bedroom opportunity, and it even has a half bath here.
Oh, great. I love it. All right, let's head on upstairs where we have 2 bedrooms and a full bath.
Yeah, great sized bedrooms and a full bath, recently renovated. And don't forget, this house has a great furnace. It's only about 2 years old, newer roof, newer driveway. Really sound house. It just needs a couple touches to make it your own.
And I love this neighborhood here.
It's a great location. It's on the Suffield side of Windsor Locks, so you're convenient to everything.
Steph, I appreciate you having us here. If you'd like a private tour, hit Steph up. My information's on the screen, ready to get you pre-approved 24/7. It's Brad, the mortgage guy, Windsor Locks. Thanks for having us. We're out of here.